Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend ake vele nje namuhla umpilonhle Msiliku njengoba uyagraduate and just everyone is just talking about her ukuthi hayibo congratulations girl mani waze waliphakamisa ligama alakwamseleku bahlulekile bosinesiyati bahlulekile bompumelelo but wena usebentile mukela. So uMakhumalo guys, she's so proud, she's so proud ukuthi ukhulise ini siqwayi. So upostile laphana waposta emena makwami Mpilonhle. We know ukuthi uMakhumalo is just raising uMpilonhle umkhulise from asasemncane, and uMpilonhle unaye makwakhe like a biological mom, but akahlali naye akamkhulisanga. So akazange amvalele ngaphandle ukuthi just because azangamkhulisa umntwana wena then you are not allowed ukuthi ube nathi la. So she was also there tokhombisana i-support, and simbonile ukuthi bekeme namakhumalo. Kuyakhombisa ukuthi cha akamvaleli nje ngaphandle, and uyade ukuthi vele ungumakwabani, umakwaMpilonhle. Congratulations girl. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.